How to fix messenger call black screen error. So if you're also getting black screen error while you're on call with someone, then in that case that might be occurring because of the low storage, problem on your device, or overly usage of your RAM. So to fix that, what you need to do is just head over to your device's settings, and once you're inside your settings, just scroll all the way down and click on apps. So basically from over here you just have to find out or locate your unused apps and simply directly uninstall it from over here as well. And if you see particularly problem with messenger, so just click on search and just search in for messenger application, just like this. So as you can see, I've located my messenger application. So now simply scroll down and click on this storage option, and from over here just click on this clear cache and clear all the data from over here as well. And so you may have to re-log in with your login credentials. So just try to restart your device and restart your messenger. It's just once you reopen your messenger application, it should work correctly. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.